All right, hello y'all. Good morning, good evening, whatever time it is for y'all. It's currently 5:46 p.m. Um, remember of how we got the indication, the correction, the first time around here, and then now this morning, we see price give us this push, but remember, back above here, we already know price could go up here because this was the first indication that we got, right? All signs that above here buyers will take over. So now we see price wicked above here, like you know what I'm saying, it wicked here, but candle ain't fully closed. One. Two, I ain't have no lower highs to go off of to support my buy. So remember how I told y'all every time we want to get into a position, we want backup. You know what I'm saying? For example, here where we got this indication and we got the correction, we got the first time around, we was waiting for price to come back above here. If you look at this 1 hour time frame for 1 second, if you look at this 1 hour time frame, we see that we got a low we could play with, like an area of structure that we could do, be like, okay, boom, this is our sell, like this is our stop loss. You know what I mean? Like an area. If we look here, we don't have no area of a stop loss. So that's why I seen this wick and was like, okay, buyers are not fully ready yet. It's just playing with us, right? So now, if we see price give us a higher low here and then back above here, then we'll know it's go time because buyers will be fully ready and fully loaded up. You know what I'm saying? So this higher low getting made or whatever it makes, I want to see a higher low for sure. This higher low gets made, then I would like to see a push above here and let price take off. You feel me? So that's currently what I'm peeping. Um, right now the trend on this is like a sell trend, but it's really just holding up the support. Because if we pay close attention, right, on the daily time frame, price is just holding up this support, right? This support is getting holding up, and we see this indication got made. That's it. Then we see price correct. Then we see the first time around here. Then we see the out of session joint. And then we know back above here is go time to here. That's it. It's that simple. So, like I said, man, all we waiting on is price to come back above this level where we got the go time alert. And as soon we get that alert, again, I'll have my stop loss ready because I'll have the two lows set it up for me because I'll go on the hour time frame. I'll see one low, then I'll have the second low. Then that's backup. You know what I'm saying? I have backup now. So now that gives me the confidence and everything I need to know to be like, okay, cool. I have my stop loss. I have everything I want. I have the backup to support the push. I mean, because price can't just push just straight up. It needs something to hold it. It needs backup. So the backup is getting made. And now when we go back above here, I know it's ready to go because we have backup, and maybe we'll be in session. So around, let me see, market open back up at 6. That's 10, 10, 1. Oh, I'll say around 2, around 3 to 4 p.m. I'm sorry, around 3 to 4 a.m. in the morning, price should be ready to go, like to this trade. So all we doing is waiting patiently and having our alerts ready. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Letting price do its thing, not rushing into a trade, just letting price do its thing. So for example, with this buy here, we not if price decides to sell down and break this level, then that'll tell us like, okay, cool. Sellers are already in the market and it's ready to sell down. So that's why I have this set it up. But at the same time, if sellers take over and make, you see how I made a low, made a higher low. If sellers take over and push down under here, then that'll be something I'll be like, okay, cool. I'm cool to see that. But If we get something like a higher low here, then a push above here, then we know from here to here, that's what price is willing to do. So that'll be our trade, and plus more even for a little more, and that'll be our trade. So I'm gonna catch y'all when that happens, if that happens, and if it do, y'all already know I'm gonna quickly log back in so I could show y'all the after or when I'm in a trade. All right. Good night. Good evening. Have a good one, y'all. Bye. Hello, y'all. Good evening. Good morning. Whatever time y'all watching this video. Make sure this short, quick, simple, and easy. Um, as we know, we've been waiting on this trade for a cool little minute now. It's currently July 21st. So it's been a cool little minute since we hopped in the trade. We're not currently in the trade yet, but this is what we're looking at to get into. Here we see an indication that we see price correct itself. Off this correction, we see a first time around, but like we stated, we was going out of session, so price reopened back up and took us out, right? We seen that. Then now, as we see prices building back up, boom, resisting this low level here, boom, building lows, highs, lows, highs, pushing up here, giving us a high from here. Then we still see that there's sellers at this level, so market's gonna close. That could give us a sign like, okay, sellers might take over and push down a little bit. From there, we'll want price to come back up, boom, boom, boom. Then it's go time and we'll be in there. I say that too because on the daily time frame, all we see is price change and structure. So we're going from a low, high, low, from now high. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, we still need this low to come in and take us to where we gotta go, right? Same thing that we see in here, from where we have that high, boom, 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 that high, that high needs to break above one, and it's still not doing that, still resisting these levels. That's something we should know. So this here push sellers, boom, and then back above here is go time. So a push here would be like, okay, I have enough strength and power to go, but I'm going out of session, so don't get in yet. I'm just letting you know I'm got strength. You know what I mean? I got strength. So boom, going in here and then coming back down. Then later on that night or that evening or afternoonish, we should see a courageous and a beautiful push coming up out of it and going for our buys. Um, the hour time frame look decent. Um, not hating on it at all. It's a very nice entry. If that's what you like, it's very nice. There's little no I don't see no like I don't see no bad in this entry here, if I'm being honest. No bad. So this is not bad at all. If if you would enter here, not bad at all. But me personally, I want to see price push, come back, and then off here I would get in and it would be that. But right now, I don't want to be in no type of trade. Just if, just in case, because we're going out of session. And I don't want to trade when we're going out of session. I want to trade when we're going into session. So going into
Like I
session.
said, bro, no financial advice. No financial advice. Um, yeah, TP here. Just waiting on it to finish. This would be a 1 to 7 trade. Nice risk management. Like I told, yeah, we like to trade when we have backup, 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 backup. Boom, take off. We're above here. The only thing that kind of made me um hesitant to like get in like here or here and stuff like that is because we was going out of session. If y'all see here, this was like a out of session trade. So it's kind of like it's kind of iffy, but apparently, bro, sessions really don't matter as much if your structure is built so perfectly and so nice. So this was a beautiful structure, beautiful buy. And yeah, have a good rest of y'all day. Enjoy the time with y'all families, whatever it is. I know I'm gonna enjoy mine. Have a good one. Bye.